Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, welcome to our new topic, which is oxidizing and reducing agent. Here today we will discuss the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So first I am going to define the oxidizing agent. The chemical species which can oxidize another substances and itself get reduced are called oxidizing agent. We have discussed the oxidation and reduction. The increase in oxidation state is called oxidation, and the decrease in the oxidation state or oxidation number is called reduction. So those chemical substances which can oxidize in other substances and itself get reduced are called oxidizing agent. Similarly, reducing agent. So the reducing agent can also be defined as the chemical species which can reduce in other substances and itself get oxidized are called reducing agents. Look to the examples. Sodium. When sodium react with chlorine molecule, they will form sodium ions and chloride ion. The oxidation state of sodium in free state is 0. Similarly, the oxidation state of chlorine is also 0. So, the oxidation state of sodium increases from 0 to +1. So, in this reaction, sodium is oxidized. For example, sodium, when it lost 1 electron, it will become positively charged. So, look to the oxidation state of sodium. The oxidation state of sodium increases from 0 to +1. So, sodium is oxidized by the loss or removal of electrons. Similarly, chlorine. Chlorine molecule can take the 2 electron and it will become negatively charged. So, the oxidation state of chlorine is 0 here. And when the chlorine take 2 electron, its oxidation state decreases from 0 to -1. So, here chlorine is reduced. So, in these two, which one is the oxidizing agent and which one is the reducing agent? So, look here, the chlorine has oxidized the sodium and itself has reduced. So, chlorine is the oxidizing agent and sodium has reduced the chlorine and itself get oxidized. So, sodium is reducing agent. The chlorine is oxidizing agent because chlorine has oxidized the sodium and itself get reduced. So, chlorine is the oxidizing agent and sodium has reduced the chlorine and itself get oxidized. So, sodium is reducing agent. Look to the another example. Zinc. What is the oxidation state of zinc here? 0. What is the oxidation state of copper? +2. So, when zinc react with copper, so the oxidation state of zinc will increases from 0 to +2. So, it means that zinc has oxidized and the oxidation state of copper has reduced from +2 to 0. So, it means that copper has reduced. So, zinc oxidized. Here, zinc is oxidized and copper has reduced. So, the copper has reduced by the zinc and zinc itself oxidized. So, zinc is the reducing agent and zinc is oxidized by the copper and copper itself reduced. So, copper is oxidizing agent. So, those chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. The chemical reaction in which one species has oxidized and another species has reduced are called redox reaction or oxidation reduction reactions. Let us discuss a reaction of zinc metal with HCl. Look here, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, they will form zinc chloride molecule and hydrogen gas. So what is the oxidation state of zinc here? 0. The oxidation state of chlorine is -1 and the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. Their oxidation number are indicated as how we will mention the oxidation number of zinc, oxidation number of hydrogen and oxidation number of chlorine. So look, the oxidation number of the zinc at the reactant side is 0 and the oxidation number of zinc in the product side is +2. So what happened? It means that zinc has oxidized from 0 to +2. Zinc has oxidized. So this reaction in which oxidation takes place is called oxidation reaction. Similarly, look to the chlorine. The oxidation number or oxidation state of chlorine in both sides is the same. So no oxidation reduction has occurred. But look to the hydrogen. Here the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1 and the oxidation state of hydrogen is 0. So it means that hydrogen has reduced. Why? Because the oxidation number of hydrogen has decreased from +1 to 0. So this reaction is generally known as redox reaction because here oxidation as well as reduction takes place. Look to the another example, 2H2 plus O2. They will form 2H2O. What is the oxidation state of hydrogen here? 0. Oxidation state of oxygen here? 0. Look here, the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1 and the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So here again hydrogen is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. So again oxidation and reduction has occurred. Therefore this reaction is also called redox or oxidation reduction reaction. Look to another example. When zinc reacts with hydrogen, so the oxidation state of zinc is 0 and the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1.